Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Godrej Eternal Palm by Godrej Properties located in Sanpada. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right at the actual land parcel, where behind me you can see sales office construction is on its way. And this over here is the actual land parcel and you can see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you don't inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 2.5 acres that will have 2 towers, each tower of ground plus 35 story, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK luxury residences. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located next to Kesar Solitaire, Sanpada, from where Sanpada railway station is only at a distance of 2 kilometers, Vashi railway station is only at a distance of 2 kilometers, Atal Setu is only at a distance of 40 minutes and Navi Mumbai International Airport is only at a distance of 30 minutes from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, lush landscape garden, energetic outdoor arena, kids play area and many more amenities. And now, talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 2 and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 750 to 850 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1200 square feet. And now, let's have a look at the booking process. The booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing. We'll also show you the actual location, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 5 lakhs for 2 BHK and 3 BHK. Also, this token will come with multiple benefits like exclusive launch discounts, preference in inventory selection, which means token holders will be called first on the day of the launch to select the preferable inventory, and 100% refundable, which means if the client doesn't want to proceed for any reason, the token will be 100% refundable. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Godrej Eternal Palm by Godrej Properties located in Sanpada.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.